So, my dear friends, today I have some questions. Today, this is not a speaking session, but this is an interaction session. You will be asked some questions and you have to answer those questions in proper way. You will have only 1 minute's time to answer the question. And I would ask very simple questions. Okay, so I think you are ready. So, my first question is that how is mobile phone harmful? Focus on the disadvantages of mobile and then speak. You would, after calling the name of anyone, the clock will be started, and that one would have only 1 minute's time to answer the question. Okay, so this question goes to Anushka.
Um, Phone is very harmful because this light harms our eyes and uh, it drive our aqueous humor of eyes, and it is also very harmful for children because they are they are addicted to phone now, and people are also addicted to phone, and they use all time, and they not use the phone for their main purpose. They use phone for their time pass and scroll videos and waste their time. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. 45 seconds. It took 45 seconds. My other question is that how are trees very important and necessary for us? If question is not clear to anyone, if not audible, then you can ask me the question again. Later on, at the time of after calling your name, if you will say that, sir, please repeat the question, it won't be done. Okay. How are trees important and necessary for us? This is my question. And this question goes to Umesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, trees are very important and necessary for our life because we get oxygen and
Your
fruit
life
with
क्यों?
the,
Our life होना चाहिए ना?
our life. We get oxygen and fruit with the help of trees, but many people cut cut the trees, so there are few trees in world. That's it, sir.
ओके. अभी तुम्हारे पास में 30 सेकेंड्स का टाइम था और अभी आंसर भी पूरा नहीं आया. और भी आप बोल सकते थे इसके बारे में. You can speak. Still you have 15 seconds.
सर मैं बोलूं इसका?
Yes. This question goes to Nisha.
trees are trees are very important in our life. Trees give us many things like medicines, goods, fruits, और आयुर्वेदिक दवाई.
Medicines.
हाँ, these days people are cut trees.
कट आर क्यों लगा रही हो? थोड़ा फोकस कर देना.
People cut trees. We should not cut trees. We should grow trees. Trees are very important in human being life.
शाबाश.
That that is all.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा. और भी आंसर हो सकता है लेकिन ओके. कोई बात नहीं. बहुत अच्छा. आपका रेस्पॉन्स आया, शाबाश बेटा. And now the next question is, how are trees helpful in controlling or in checking the air pollution? एयर पोल्यूशन क्या है ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूं मैं. ट्रीज का क्या रोल है? व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ट्रीज इन कंट्रोलिंग एयर पोल्यूशन? दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. गीता. गीता. I think she has some issue. Okay. Ronak.
Trees is very important because there are many vehicles in cities and vehicles made pollution, and trees is only thing who control the pollution. So,
क्या बोल रहा है? ना सिंगुलर का ध्यान, ना प्लूरल का ध्यान, मेड लगा दिया, ना वर्ब का ध्यान, कौन सी यूज कर रहा है, प्रेजेंट यूज कर रहा है, पास्ट यूज कर रहा है, कुछ भी आड़ा टेढ़ा बोल दिया है. सुनना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग, क्या बोल तूने, किस किस चीज का तूने ध्यान रखा है? थोड़ा ध्यान से. समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन, क्या बोला क्या नहीं बोला, सब वो टूटा फूटा करके कर दिया. ये क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन गोज टू सुशील. अब सुनना ध्यान से जरा.
Yes, sir. Sir, trees are very helpful in air pollution because
इन एयर पॉल्यूशन कैसे? इन कंट्रोलिंग एयर पॉल्यूशन.
yes, sir, in controlling air pollution because they takes CO2 and they give us oxygen and they also filter air. So we can say that trees are very helpful in controlling air pollution.
एक एक
Sir.
वर्ड क्लियर हो गया इसका, एक एक सब कुछ चीज ठीक हो गई इसकी. देख ले रौनक बेटा, तुम तो बस ना सिंगुलर का ध्यान, ना प्लूरल का ध्यान, ना वर्ब का ध्यान, ना प्रेजेंट का ध्यान, ना पास्ट का ध्यान, ना वर्ड ऑर्डर का ध्यान है. ओके. हाउ आर न्यूज़पेपर्स यूजफुल फॉर ए बिजनेसमैन? संजू. I think there is some problem in his connectivity.
Means
Yes, yes, यहाँ बोलो बेटा.
newspaper is very important for us and every businessman person because newspaper gives us many information like शेयर मार्केट में जैसे सर
हाँ बोलो ना. Like the information of share market, like the information of prices of different things. और सोचो क्या क्या यूज हो सकता है एक बिजनेसमैन के लिए.
I have no idea.
सोचना ही तो पड़ेगा ना चीजों को बेटा.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Yamini.
Yes, sir. The newspapers are equally good for everyone, but if a person who is a businessman, he can use newspaper in so many different ways. There are so many newspapers shows the which shows the system of business. In this newspaper, only business related news is come. Uh, if a businessman can print the posters and ads of his company and get publicity, he can also publish vacancies of his company, and he can get good employees for his company. He can also watch whose company get getting loss and whose company getting profit, so he can also improve his business skills. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good, nice. सुनो एक दूसरे को, आएंगे थॉट्स सुन करके आएंगे. आज नहीं तो कल आएंगे. पॉजिटिव रहो, फोकस्ड रहो, अपने आप फोकस्ड रखो अपने आप को. Yes, my next question is, you have to describe the advantages of television. So simple question. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ टेलीविजन. बोलो तो प्रॉपर सेंटेंस बना के बोलो. वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखो, टूटा फूटा नहीं. ये नहीं खाली बोलना है. परफॉर्मेंस देना आपके हाथ में है. काफी टाइम से आपको प्रैक्टिस करवाया जा रहा हूं मैं लगातार, है ना. ओके, कोशिश करो बस, और कोई बात नहीं है इसमें, इतनी सी बात है. यस आदित्य.
Yes, sir. So there are many invitations of television. We get nahi, we and invitations. Nahi, we
एडवांटेजेस, फायदे कैसे यूजफुल है हमारे लिए. हाउ इज अ टेलीविजन यूजफुल फॉर अस.
yes, sir. So this is very simple question because there are many reasons of invitations of television. We we passed our time pass. We
ओके,
see,
योर टाइम इज
look,
ओवर.
and
कोई
we
बात नहीं,
watch and
कोई बात नहीं, कोई टाइम इज ओवर हो गया. कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन घबराओ मत, है ना. और अलर्टनेस रखो नेक्स्ट टाइम पे, घबराओ बिल्कुल मत, है ना बेटा. आज का जो अपना सेशन है वो टाइम का, अपना कितना एक्टिव है, घबराहट को कम करना, सोचना. अचानक से कोई क्वेश्चन आपके सामने आ जाए, इफ यू कम अक्रॉस सडनली अ क्वेश्चन या सिचुएशन, हाउ वुड यू डील इट, है ना. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ टेलीविजन, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन गोज टू कबीर.
As we know that sun gives us many things, TV is one of them. TV is a big source of entertainment. Children watch it a very long time. It is also very harmful for children and youngers because they also watch serials, movies on it. They watch it long time. That's why their eyesight become weak. Their head panic. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके, 30 seconds. ठीक है. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ इज मनी important for us, या what is the role of money in our life. This very simple question goes to Vaishnavi.
Yes, money is very important in our life, and without money we can't live without money. And because money is important, we get man, uh, we can We can purchase our essential things.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ, बस घबराओ मत, बोलते जाओ, फोकस करो बस।
And there are two types of money, black money and white money. Yes, so that's it.
ओके, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। कोशिश करो, सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आप, जरूरी है, इम्प्रूव करोगे आप इससे। Advantages of science. How is science useful for us? This is the question. And this question goes to Geeta.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, आराम से बोलना बेटा, घबराना
Science, yes, sir. Science is useful for our life because science give us many useful things. Science, science give us many electronic gadgets like mobile phone, uh, TV, machines, etc.
हम्म,
By science, we can do many work from few time
हम्म,
in few time.
हम्म।
By the help of science, we
बेटा in
can
little time.
we
हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा।
in in little time we can do
हम्म,
some work without hard work.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बोलो।
Many people many people
ओके बेटा, टाइम इज ओवर। बहुत अच्छा
many
रेस्पॉन्स
people
दिया बेटा, शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स दिया बेटा, बहुत अच्छी बात है। टाइम लिमिट में जानबूझ के रख रहा हूँ बेटा, धीरे धीरे मैं आपको इस लेवल पर भी लेके आऊंगा, है ना, जिससे कि आपकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगी, माइंड की सोचने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगी, स्पीड बढ़ेगी आपकी। टाइम लूंगा तभी बढ़ेगा, आज नहीं बढ़ेगी तो कल बढ़ जाएगी, कल नहीं बढ़ेगी तो परसों बढ़ जाएगी, कब तक नहीं बढ़ेगी, है ना बेटा। उस लेवल पर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ अब आप लोगों के लिए। ओके, सो नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट reasons of accidents, only regions of accidents. I don't want to listen to your solutions, only regions of accidents. Focus on the regions of accidents. Tanish.
Yes, sir. There are many reasons of accident. First, people drink alcohol and drive car fast.
Shabash.
And second, some people listen music and drive car fastly.
Hmm.
And third, some people don't know car is coming,
Hmm.
so car hurt people. Yes, sir, that's it.
मुझे टाइम है तेरे पास।
Okay, sir. And some people don't don't see red light
Hmm.
and don't see traffic lights
Hmm. शाबाश, ऐसे घबरा क्यों रहा है, आराम
and
से बोल।
go
Hmm.
and without and not use
ओके
zebra
बेटा, शाबाश
crossing.
बेटा, टाइम ओवर बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स है, कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, है ना। हाँ, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, और कल कल कोशिश करोगे तो और अच्छे से आप पकड़ पाओगे चीजों को, ठीक है ना बेटा। यस, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ साइंस। What are the disadvantages of science? Yes, yes, come on, Lakshmi.
There are many disadvantages of science. Science has given many electronic
Gadgets, हाँ.
gadgets. We 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 watch TV, we watch mobile phone,
Hmm.
so our eyesight become weak, and we feel we we are we become ill. We become ill. We have diseases.
Hmm.
That's
Okay,
it.
कोई बात नहीं. Time भी over हो गया. घबराओ मत. Now my next question is, how can the road accidents be controlled? And this question goes to Shri.
As we all know that in present time there are so many accidents because people are not concentrated,
Hmm.
and people drink and drive car fastly, so
Fastly
um,
नहीं, fast. It's okay. हाँ बोल.
fast, so people should not drink alcohol and drive car fast,
Hmm.
and they should have focus,
Hmm.
and people should not drive car fast,
Hmm.
and we should follow traffic rules,
शाबाश.
because
Hmm.
people don't follow traffic rules, and they they do accidents,
Hmm. They commit accidents. They meet with an accident. Huh.
and so we should follow traffic rules, and
Okay बेटा, time is over. बहुत अच्छा response दिया बेटा. Thanks to all for your response. Okay.